Hello, if you are a poultry farmer or livestock farmer, this particular content is for you, but it is majorly on fish farming. How one of my fans' fish farm failed and how I stepped into it to offer good solutions that will revive the failed farm. If you're a poultry farmer or you're a fish farmer, this particular content is good for you. One day, you may be a fish farmer because there are a lot of waste you generate as a poultry farmer that can be used to feed your fish free. That's why it is always good to combine different livestock together so that some waste from another particular department will feed the others without compromising quality. 10 reasons for fish farm failure. 1 is poor water quality management. 2, inadequate feeding practices. 3, overcrowding of fish. 4, lack of disease control measures. 5, insufficient monitoring and record keeping. 6, inexperienced farm management. 7, poor pond maintenance. 8, use of low quality fish stock. 9, inconsistent water temperature regulation. And 10, lack of proper biosecurity measures. I was contacted by one of my fans after training on fish farming, and I went there. After this explanation, you watch the pond. When I examined it, I will tell you the particular point that made him to fail and what we are going to do to revive it. Make sure you watch this video till the end. If this is your first time or coming across this channel, please subscribe and activate the bell notification so that anytime I release the updates on this topic or any other topic in poultry and livestock farming, you'll be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my returning fans, my returning subscribers and viewers all over the world. Wherever you are watching me from, I greet you. May God continue to bless your handwork and your business. Please, on the comment section, always tell me where you are watching from. And if you have any particular solution to your geographical area in livestock farming, I will always guide you there. And if you still want to be one of our closed members, you go to the description link, tap on that link, be a member, click on the link and register as a member. You get a lot of benefits, a lot of videos, many videos that is particularly tailored for registered members. Abandoned pond. In fact, a lot of money was spent on this particular pond. It's when I was consulted to come and see what we can do with this pond, I discovered that a lot of money was invested, and because of lack of technical know-how, that is why the owner abandoned it. So today we want to revive this pond. Let's know, this is a fish pond, let's know the quantity of fish that can be reared in this particular pond and how we are going to amend it to make sure it accommodates that number of fish we need. You know that fish farming is highly lucrative. Among all the agribusiness enterprises, fish farming is one of the best because 1, it gives you freedom. The infection and diseases is minimal because they stay inside the water, and that water insulate them, accommodate them, and at the same time protect them from environmental disease outbreaks. So, and the selling, the marketing is highly lucrative. It is easier to sell. The feed consumption is cheaper because you can feed them with scraps, you can feed them with maggots, you can feed them with something you pick within your environment, and even inside the water already, the water itself is a food to them, so they hardly die like other poultry birds that if you don't feed them they are gone. But this one, because of the water, in as much as the water is neat, in as much as there is a good oxygen in that water, they will still survive. So today, let's see what we can do to make sure we help this our client so that he can still start his fish farming in a full scale and with proper guide. So I want to measure the pond right now to know whether he was overstocking, whether he was understocking, and the cause of the failure of this particular business. And we're going to revive this fish and the pond itself. So let's see. Let's see what we can do. Measure the length, width, and depth of the ball. That will give us yes. Now, let me get the width. Okay. This is exactly 4 feet. It's 17 feet by 5 feet, and based on the measurements, what I discovered here is this place can only take 1,000 fishes. That's only one. But my client said he was stocking 2,000 fishes and they were not growing well. That could be one of the reasons why he cannot make it, because the stocking rate was too high. So in fish farming, for you to make it, you must not overstock your pond. One of the reasons, you must not overstock your pond. Secondly, you must make sure there is adequate water with good pH, water with good oxygen. Then there must be feed. So for the fact that this place was overstocked, there is no way the fishes in this particular pond will grow, because there will be too much competition, and over competition will cause what we call cannibalism. They will start eating each other, one another. They will continue eating one another, and continue getting lost. That's exactly why this place failed, because he told me he was stocking 2,000, but based on my calculation here now, this place cannot accommodate anything above 1,000 fishes. So we're going to work with this particular, what we have seen here, and let's see. I'll still keep you up to date so that you'll see how the first time we are going to restock here and when we are harvesting, so that you follow us and see that there is improvement. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If this is the first time of coming across this particular channel, I will advise you to subscribe. If you have any projects on fish farming or any pond that is already failing, tell us. We are going to help you to revive it. Here are 5 solutions to avoid failure in fish farming. Regular water quality testing is very important. Proper feeding schedule and feed with balanced ration. Optimal stocking density. Regular health check and disease prevention in poultry farm is very important. Avoid overstocking. Many farmers many visits I have gone to different fish farms. Most of their problems are overstocking. Some are, I don't know the word I will use to qualify them. When they create that pond, they want all their investment, all their profit to come from that one pond. No. Let me tell you, the more you stock the pond, the more you overstock them, the lesser growth they will give you and the lesser meat they will give you. So it's even better you stock little quantity in a pond. They will give you maximum results. They will eat little and give you maximum output. But when they are overstocked, they will eat much and still give you less output. This is something you have to go on with. Now, training in farm management and record keeping is very important. Now that he has been trained, I know that he is going into this fish farming as a new creature. Things will change because he has gained the knowledge from an expert. Thank you for watching till the end. Share the video and like. Drop your comment. Tell me where you are watching from. And if you have any question regarding livestock in general, drop it on the comment section. I will answer you and guide you also. Bye for now.